At the height of Éowyn, almost 770,000 homes, farms and businesses were left without power. The record-breaking storm left a trail of destruction in its wake. One man died after a tree fell on his car in Donegal. Thousands were left for weeks with no power, water or internet. It blew down over 23,000 hectares of forest, wiping out up to €500 million worth of timber, while the GAA dome in Mayo was destroyed in a matter of seconds. Today it's been revealed that Storm Éowyn was the most expensive weather event in history for Irish insurers, costing €301 million.
Average claim for a business would have been around €17,000 compared to a household claim of just over €5,000. We'd also seen images of trees and falling wires and stuff on cars and motor vehicles. There was a smaller number of those claims, around 1,600 or so. So the vast majority in number were on private household policies, but the biggest cost was to business.
The only other weather event to come close in terms of the cost was 15 years ago. And the big freeze of January 2010, when temperatures plummeted to minus 17 degrees in parts, causing widespread disruption and leaving insurance firms paying out €297 million. Just months earlier, parts of the country were devastated by floods, described at the time as a 1 in 1,000 year disaster. Cork was one of the worst hit areas, but these streets in Clonmel and Tipperary were turned into fast-flowing rivers, while this was the scene in parts of Galway. The flooding of November 2009 costing the insurance industry $244 million. Meanwhile, just over $14 million has been paid out so far under the government's humanitarian assistance scheme to those impacted by Storm Éowyn in January. Paul Quinn, Virgin Media News.